Picking up Landon here?
Yeah, so his flight got in a little bit earlier than expected. So would you guys mind going to pick him up?
When's it come in?
I want to say around 3 or 3:30.
Okay, we got an hour before we gotta get there.
Takes about an hour to get there. Better get on it.
My mom said I have to be home before the street lights.
Good deal. Let's get it.
Oh, no, that's not where it is. Never. Why did we have to do all of these?
You got it, dude. You got it.
I hope it don't. I have no idea where this is. The fit is killer. Josh, nice to meet you.
Is it a bull? Doubles.
Such a dope spot. Oh, thank you. I like the look.
Good to see you again.
Long time no
Nice to
see.
meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Very
Landon.
cool what you're doing this back. Make me terrified. I'm very shocked.
It's a good one.
Hey, buddy.
How are you?
What are you doing? How's it going?
Good, good. We're getting there.
Really
You should have
good.
seen the tattoo Sarah did. They were so freaking little.
Were they happy?
You know, they walked out crying.
You're pretty bad.
They was so sad. Made me depressed. They was gonna cut out my arm.
These are
Look
one of
what
these.
I bought today. It's horrible. I paid $70.
Uh-oh.
This it's so small. It's smaller than my Chinese.
No, he just
Hold on.
on Sunday.
How far away is the Moxie?
Monty's 5 minutes from here.
Yeah, we'll get up early and start crushing.
Yeah, I'll just let you know when I'm on my way, and then that'll give you like 20, 30 minutes.
Yep.
It's today, session 2 on my back. And we just put some Mad Rabbit numbing cream on there, and I've never used it for myself, so we'll see how this goes. We're gonna leave it on for about an hour and take it from there. I'll let you know how everything goes. Cause he's a weak little It wasn't my idea.
It's starting to feel it and feel it.
Right now I feel absolutely nothing.
It's crazy.
Nothing at all. If the whole thing felt like this, I'd sit all day.
So it was just the one spot, like the beginning of it was off to the side?
Yeah, just my fluffy little love handles I could feel, but yeah, this is insane how I can't feel this. It's crazy. Like I don't even feel any pressure. It's just I feel the wiping.
Yeah.
It's so interesting.
It's nuts. Yeah, so we'll see where we're at in a few hours. See if it feels the same. But it's cool right now. This is awesome.
I was checking. Huh? That's what I was checking. feel weird being tattooed in your own chair?
I think it's my first time ever getting tattooed in my own chair, yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty sure. Best chair ever. Better than Tom's chair, that's for sure.
My chair actually goes down all the way.
Just like you.
That's why everyone likes me.
That's how you get the big tips.
That's how his clients keep coming back.
I mean, the numbing cream definitely had its ups and downs. You know, there were some parts that I couldn't really feel at all. And then, you know, some parts it feels like the numbing cream didn't really hit, and it's just as painful as it should be.
That was probably my fault.
But, which, yeah, I mean, it makes for a unique experience, you know, if you hit one line and you don't feel it, and then the next second you feel everything. So it's kind of fun.
For 5 hours in, I mean, it lasted. It's crazy.
Yeah, and I think we did have two parts of the tattoo wrapped, the top and the bottom. So I think the top wrap kind of stayed on for a bit longer. So I think that's kind of, you know, it helped it along the way and helped to keep it numb. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, the kidneys and the sides are definitely still a bit spicy.
So I used 3 different line weights for this so far. These are like straight pug pin 9s from Black Claw, and these are hella tight 3s from Black Claw. And then like the outline of this tubing is the hella fine 7, which is like a tight bug pin grouping. But I just use them to play with contrast and how dark things get, and yeah.
And that smooth ass voice.
And soft whisper voice. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm sweating my balls off again because somebody didn't want to leave the AC on. Look at the sweat. I'm sorry, I run hot, Daddy.
Yeah, you do.
They all kind of look like Pony, don't they?
Yeah. Bald, bald, bald. No top of the skull. Just a bunch of variations of Pony getting f***ed up by animals.
Oh, boy. Whatever that thing's looking at.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right.
That thing. It's a lady.
The milkman. It's the milkman.
Is it though?
Well, it was a lady.
At one point.
It was.
It's Pony's mom.
Damn, Zaddy. Just throwing dark shit out there like
I'm
that.
gonna call her later and tell her you said that. She's not gonna like you very much, Tom. And to think she liked you.
Damn. Tony, what's your go-to karaoke song?
I've never done it.
What? Hey Tom, what's your go-to karaoke song? What the holy shit is happening? Alright. The very best no one ever was. The train to me is my cause. Okay, man. Gotta catch 'em all.
They got the words on the screen, so I'll know that part.
There it
Yeah. Pokemon. Pokemon.
Pokemon, gotta catch them all.
is. So we hitting up some karaoke tonight?
They got that song. Only
What's your go-to?
Oh, it's either Savage Garden or Johnny Cash.
Why Savage Garden though?
Because I have a weird affinity for Savage Garden. Love Savage Garden. What? Oh, f you.
Sorry. I couldn't hold that one back. What is that?
What is Savage Garden?
That's it. Session 2 in the books. I'm sure we're gonna have plenty more sessions to go, but for now, let's go have some fun. That's the only thing I know.
Oh no, that's pretty good.
I don't know much, but I know I love you.
It was like right here in his corner, like right here.
I see what you did, Tom.
Stand with you on the mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls.